Hello and welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm showing you how I made this chair. I basically, in this video, I'm showing you how I reupholstered the seat and how I added the glitter effect to this already gold chair. I had already previously spray painted this chair gold. Again, in this video, I'm going to show you how I reupholstered the top and how I changed the gold glitter accent to it. Later on, I will upload a video on the metallic pillow and the faux fur pillow on the back. I decided to do that to add a little extra cushion to the chair and give it a little pop of color. But anyway, let's keep moving. Again, as you can see, this is the pillow without the gold one in front of it. And to get started, what I had to do was go under this chair. I think I had about 4 screws that you can either use a screwdriver, or if you have a drill, do that. As you can see, that's how it looked before. In this video, I used Mod Podge, which I went to my Joann. I used 60% off. The glitter I got from Walmart, and the sponge brushes you can find anywhere. Now what I started by doing is adding the Mod Podge to an old bowl. Add the glitter. You kind of got to play with the mixation of it, because sometimes it depends on how much glitter you want to be present. So you will have to use a lot of glitter to the Mod Podge. I want to say I did about, I think probably 5 coats, because in the beginning I was not adding enough glitter. So after it dried, I still didn't get the effect that I really wanted. And as you can see here, I'm just basically applying the glitter mixture and Mod Podge mixture all over with my sponge brush. I use a sponge brush because it's a little bit easier for me to add an even layer on the chair. And like I said in the beginning, I went in with light layers for each coat that I created. And again, you have to play with your measurements when it comes to the Mod Podge. I started out with smaller mixtures of the Mod Podge because I really didn't want to leave the glue out and dry up and what have you. So a little bit at a time as you go along, because like I said, if you're putting more than one coat, it's going to take time for it to dry. And again, Mod Podge is not cheap. You do not want to leave it out. And actually, this project, I expanded it out a couple of days because I have other projects and things of that nature that I work on. So yeah, this one took me a little while to do. I've been had it complete. I'm just finally uploading the video. So again, I'm just going all over it, lightly putting the thin layers because you don't want it to clump up. I did have a little small area where it clumped a little bit, but it wasn't that bad. It still didn't change what happened to the chair. But anyway, as you can see, this is, I want to say, my first or either second coat. The glitter is starting to slowly come through, and you can see my little glue where it's not dried. But yeah, that's just showing during the process how it looks as it dries. This is my fabric that I'm going to use, and this is how I turn it upside down. I have another video on showing exactly how it's stapled. This is a picture that my daughter took of me talking on the phone, complete in the back, but I don't know what happened to the video footage. Again, I have another video for that. And I just basically put it back on the chair. And as you can see, I fixed it up, of course, but it came out wonderful. I thank you guys for watching. Please continue to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Please feel free to comment if you have any questions on where I find some of these items or anything that you felt that I did not cover in the video. Feel free to contact me. Thank you. Have a blessed day.